Jared Fielding, and I'm a cosmetic ceramist at Utah Valley Dental Lab. I've been a technician for 20 years. I've owned my own lab for 10 plus years. Yeah, I love DiaShine. The product is amazing. Everybody I know that's a ceramist uses DiaShine, it seems like. I don't really know anybody that uses a different brand. DiaShine's just the top of the line polish, I feel like. So I mostly use the fine soft pink after every crown that I glaze. It just puts a really nice finish on the crown, makes things way more consistent after a glaze bake. So yeah, it's always my end right before I steam them off and send them out. So it's awesome. I love it.